If you want to experience Moroccan cuisine, there is literally no better way than to immerse yourself all in. And by all in, I mean sign up for a cooking class like we did with Chef Najla. We stepped across the street to a fresh fruit and vegetable stand, and she told us about choosing your vegetables and what to look for, explaining the Moroccan diet and why they eat the way they eat. Bread is life, but fruit and veg are also very important. Najla is a lively, cheerful person who clearly loves what she does. We were made the most heavenly Moroccan tea with gunpowder green tea and then infused with anise, spearmint, peppermint, lemon verbena, lemongrass, wormwood, rose petals, and thyme. There is a certain way to boil and make the tea to clean the leaves and get a clear, flavorful tea. The teeny gunpowder tea is as small as caraway seeds, but expands when boiled so it's more than you'd think. Then of course there's the sugar. They love their tea sweet.
Yeah, 1 cup of boiling water, and I keep it for a minute or two, the time to get open. The first glass we can drink is because it's just green tea infused in hot water. No steps, there is no cooking the onion before we add the meat and then we put the spices, and we don't have steps. You can put everything together on the fire to cook, and it's really simple and very flavorful, and it's there from here where we have the real flavors. So we have salt, black pepper, cinnamon or cannelle, ginger in powder because we don't find the fresh ginger easy, but we can use both, ginger like powder or fresh. Cumin, paprika, we use more the smoked paprika, you give a very nice smoky, and if we don't have it, we can use the sweet one, but we don't really use the spicy one too much. In general, the Moroccan kitchen is not spicy. It's always, the spice is always from in the side. You add it on your plate when you want to eat, but never cooked inside the dish. Your eggplant, they have to be cooked before you go to the next step. Yeah. So cook them very well. It's not really about cooking the skin or burning the skin. It's really to cook the aubergine from inside. I prefer the fire because at first, to gain the time, because it will be maximum 10 minutes. Because after cooking, the bones shows more, so it's not nice to see more. So we try to fit all the pieces
and
inside.
gives more flavor, the bone.
Ew, I don't remember. Any meats, whenever we are using any meats, lamb or beef or chicken, whatever, bones are always there.
We got to enjoy every bit of that meal, of course with fresh bread, and was it delicious? The best. As we said goodbye, we took everyone's info to follow each other's further travels and to receive recipes for making at home. We would highly recommend this class that cost only about $35 US, and we spent about 4 hours with her. We booked through Viator after reading many excellent reviews about Chef Najla, and she did not disappoint.